Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Soundcore Motion Boom Plus Bluetooth speaker. This is a portable speaker with 80 watts booming sound, IP67, waterproof and dustproof with Type-C cable, custom equalizer. Bluetooth is 5.3 outdoor speaker for camping. This speaker has two 30 watts woofers and 10 watts tweeter. Provide 80 watts of stereo sound with real-time enhanced bass provided by Soundcore unique BassUp Technology. Titanium drivers offer all-round epic sound to increase the treble performance of Motion Boom Plus waterproof Bluetooth speaker. This speaker got inbuilt handle and removable strap. You can take your music with you everywhere you go. It has IP67 certification. You will never worry about splash, rain, spill, or dust when using your waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Large capacity and long playing time, 13,400 mAh battery capacity, up to 20 hours of playtime, so you can keep listening for longer. It also features a built-in power bank, so you can give your phone or other accessories a quick power boost at any moment. Use the Soundcore app to stay updated to the latest firmware for optimal performance. So we're going to unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. This is the strap. This is the strap here. Information pack and the power cable, Type-C cable, but you need to find adapter to charge this up. Nice, it's very light. Cycle packaging. This is camouflage color, and see what it looks like. The front is metal grill, then at the back is plastic. This is the handle, it's not heavy. At the back here, so at the back you have AUX port and USB at the back. Input for the power cable, USB and AUX. You switch this speaker on and off from this button, and bass up, Bluetooth. Minus is to decrease the volume, the plus is for you to increase the volume. So this goes here. See what it looks like. So to charge this up, you need to find the adapter. So this is Type-C adapter to go with this. So you connect this end to the adapter. Then go at the back, connect this end to input and this in, then plug it onto the socket. I want to show you how to connect this speaker Soundcore Motion Boom Plus to your laptop using AUX cable. This is the AUX cable. First of all, you switch the Bluetooth off. So Bluetooth is off. Then take the AUX cable, connect it to the AUX port and it's in. Then take this part of the cable, connect it to your laptop, and it's recognized which device you want to plug in for headphone. Then you select OK from the laptop. You select the audio or music you have. Select the music you have on your laptop. If you unplug it, audio will no longer be playing. We connect it back.
Give you all my mind. 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your Phoenix tonight. Come on and ride.
If you connected this speaker using AUX cable and want to have more control of the equalizer, then you need to switch the Bluetooth on. When you switch Bluetooth on, then you need to connect this to your mobile phone. Then download Soundcore app. So go to the phone, go to connections, select Bluetooth, switch Bluetooth on, then select Soundcore, and it's connected via Bluetooth with the mobile phone. Now go to Play Store and download Soundcore app. The Soundcore app is downloaded on this phone, so select on it. This is the speaker here, and you can select increase the volume, likewise adjust the equalizer, or select, you can select add extra bass or switch it off, or select Soundcore signature, voice, treble, balance. You can also custom the equalizer as you like. So if you connect it using AUX cable, then change your mind, or you want to have more control, then you need to connect the phone and speaker via Bluetooth, then download Soundcore app, then for you to be able to see the speaker and also customize it, the equalizer, or select particular equalizer you want. This is voice, treble, balance, and signature. This speaker deserves your attention. I'm happy with it. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.